Easy for solo traveler, clean room with basic facilities, good for working or as an intermediate travel from Paris to other cities. Easy and speedy check-in, out procedures. Aircon but only stairs. Experience comfort and convenience at Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge. Welcome to Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge, a charming hotel located in the picturesque town of Morangis, France. With its ideal location just a short drive away from Paris, this hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and affordability. Step into the modern and stylish lobby of Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge and be greeted by a warm and friendly staff ready to cater to your every need. Check-in begins at 4 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and unwind after a day of travel. The hotel boasts a total of 70 well-appointed rooms, ensuring that there is always a comfortable space available for you to relax and rejuvenate. Each room at Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind. The hotel underwent a renovation in 2015, ensuring that all rooms are equipped with the latest amenities and modern conveniences. Whether you are traveling for business or pleasure, you can expect a restful night's sleep on the plush beds provided in each room. Families traveling with children will find that Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge offers a child policy that caters to their needs. While children may not stay free of charge, the hotel provides additional amenities and services to ensure a pleasant stay for both parents and children. Please note that there may be extra charges associated with accommodating children. Checkout time is until 11 a.m., allowing you ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or wrap up any last-minute tasks before departing. The hotel's convenient location offers easy access to nearby attractions, making it an ideal choice for both business and leisure travelers. Experience comfort, convenience, and exceptional service at Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge. Book your stay today and discover all that this charming hotel has to offer. Unwind in the tranquil garden oasis at Premier Classe Epinay Sur Orge. You can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find solace in the hotel's serene garden oasis. Surrounded by lush greenery and colorful blooms, this tranquil outdoor space is perfect for unwinding and immersing yourself in nature. Whether you're looking to relax with a good book or enjoy a refreshing drink under the shade of a tree, the garden provides a peaceful retreat for guests of all ages. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding pathways, breathe in the fresh air, and let the soothing sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves melt away your stress.